Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about TikTok app. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And then you can update your app if you find updates here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.